Seme boy no yenda kwati singawone wati bata kweka ngobana doba wata katika iwe ticho wana naja karero kare sorarana kare kusewe
Mamufika nebwe kwa waenda shondi shunguruta nabaye wa moyo waiva shamari mudikani amaye pedo
wahititi chaimba tose jino wayenda kudenga kuno yimba nengiroze
Chawachisiya iwewe watorwa na nyabinga umufundi matongo nyetse tichagusua
Nerimwe zuwa tichaonana nerimwe nguva nerimwe zuwa tichatevera mumarinda
waiva shamari tichakusuwa shamari wayenda kuna mari no heart you never fade away waiva shamari tichakusuwa shamari wayenda kuna mari no heart you never fade away in a 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 heart you never
Now as I walked into the studio, miranura befuti panda pinda mu studio zvavi simbori yizvo ndiani hachadavira wangu muridzo ndakutamba chiwande pasina anonditsvaga shamu yatarohwa nayo mwaka uno yarwadza imhosva rudziriko chiiko chatakatadza rest in peace daddy D Judah ina semu pasi rino idandaro turikotamba kagemu nekuti
Yaibatana, Uno Yametasiro, Yamashiko Mazimai. About 2 days ago, Hanzi Iwe Pasca Isandaro, Namango Mai, Panega Bataita Mebo, Bagas of the Samson, the Gadigo, Hanzi Nani, Uzi Tele, the Wake up at the Giovanni, say, Pane Macaro, Ethan Basi, Booyah Mama, Michael Jackson, Pakatora Wani,
waiva shamari tichakusuwa shamari wayenda kuna mari in a heart you never fade away waiva shamari tichakusuwa shamari wayenda kuna mari in a heart you never fade away in a heart you never fade away in a heart you never fade away in a heart you never fade away
Tangadamo pakukura maminutes nukuramba chiziramba chokwadi bakuru bakati to live is to suffer and my heart bleeds for you my brother Taka share my stage now I wish to see your face record yataita urasino ndichaita say don't worry bakapisa in a better place minamato yangu is to be with you one day.
Rest in peace dear friends, we love you, we miss you, and we'll always remember you.
Hi, my name is Chill.
And my name is MJ.
And together we are known as XPC Jump Off.
We are here today after the sad passing of Sam Mtukudzi alongside his friend Owen Chimare in a car accident a few days ago.
Yeah, we are deeply saddened by the loss of two young lives. To both families, we pray that they find comfort in God. Sam has left a massive void.
Having said that, we remember Sam Mtukudzi through his talent, and his legacy will definitely live on through the music. When we first heard his debut album, Rumerimwe, which was released in 2007, we were just blown away, and we knew he was definitely one to look out for the future, and his music was just beyond any expectations that we had. He definitely took after the footsteps of his father, the legendary Oliver Mtukudzi.
A lot of people loved him and they'll truly miss him. But today we say, let's celebrate his life. I'm sure that's what he would have wanted. Let's not drown in sorrow. Let's celebrate what he's left with us, which is his music. Let's enjoy it and help keep his legacy going. So to everybody, I'd say, let's stay strong. And to the Mtukudzi family and the Chimare family, God is with you and we're also with you in our prayers.
To the two remarkable youngsters, Sam and Owen, we say rest in peace. Your memories will definitely be in our hearts forever.
Tabaiwa, tashai wakana muromo.